I want to hold a frog.
Whoa.
I want to hold a frog. I'll put it in water. Watch it.
Hello, everybody. I'm gonna harvest some potatoes today. I have never harvested potatoes, so I actually don't know quite what I'm doing. So this will be an adventure for both of us. I never thought I was a green thumb, but I'm really enjoying gardening, so it'll be very fun together. We can do it together, you guys. So my kids just found a frog and they're putting it in water. So they'll be back here to help me. I'll show you my little mounds first. I have a couple. So I started out with, this is I don't have a lot of potatoes, but this is where I planted my Yukon Golds, and then over here I had some extra, so I put it in a big pot. So not sure how that's gonna work. So we'll start digging. Ooh, look at that! I got some. Oh, you guys can't see. First batch. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Oop, here you guys can see a little better. Oop. There's quite a few. It's like digging for like gold. It's really awesome, you guys. Just keep digging. I hope it's deeper than it looks. There's a bunch right there. I just started. This is so awesome. So I finished that hill and I got a lot of little ones. It's mid-October and I figured might as well just get it done. I got a lot of little ones. I'm really excited actually. I like small potatoes. So I'm excited. I didn't know how many I was gonna get. Someone told me I should get at least 100, so I have well over 100 here, but they're pretty small. So now I'm gonna work on this little mound over here in the pot and see what I got in there.